Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we're comparing two impressive dash cameras, the PRUVEO 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam and the dashcam front and rear inside. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and pricing to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The PRUVEO 360-degree view offers comprehensive 360-degree coverage, allowing you to capture footage from all angles: front, rear, left, and right. This feature is particularly beneficial for complete vehicle surveillance. In contrast, the dashcam front and rear inside provides triple-channel coverage, focusing on the front, cabin, and rear. While it offers good coverage, it doesn't match the all-encompassing view of the PRUVEO. One of the standout features of the PRUVEO is its built-in GPS, which tracks your location and speed, providing valuable data during your drives. Unfortunately, the dashcam front and rear inside lacks this feature, which may be a deal-breaker for those who prioritize GPS tracking in their dashcam. When it comes to pricing, the PRUVEO 360-degree view is priced at $189, reflecting its advanced features and comprehensive coverage. On the other hand, the dashcam front and rear inside is significantly more affordable at just $69. This makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who still want essential dashcam functionalities. In conclusion, the PRUVEO 360-degree view dashcam offers superior coverage and advanced features like GPS, making it ideal for those who want comprehensive surveillance. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with essential features, the dashcam front and rear inside is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.